In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a football sports poster using Photoshop. You can download the images in the description down below to follow along. Press Ctrl-N to create a new document and follow these settings. Unlock the layer, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Select Texturizer and follow these settings. Add a gradient adjustment layer and follow the process. Bring this image to the main project. Download link in the description. Press Ctrl-T and resize the image accordingly. Go to Image, Adjustment and choose Desaturate. Add a layer mask. Press B and choose a torn paper brush. Download link in the description. Follow the process. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Select Inner Shadow and follow these settings. Select the image and go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Bring the player to the main project. Press Ctrl-T and adjust its size and position. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Add a black and white adjustment layer and follow the process. Select the mask, press B and choose a hard round brush. Set the foreground color to black. Hold Ctrl plus left click and follow the process. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Add a layer mask. Hold Ctrl plus left click and select this mask. Press B and choose a soft round brush. Bring back the shadow like so. Go to Select, choose Inverse and remove the unwanted part. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Select Drop Shadow and follow these settings. Right-click on Effects and choose Create Layer. Add a layer mask. Press B and select a soft round brush. Remove the shadow where needed. Add your final text. I am using Kenyan coffee. Download link in the description. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for your support.